Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as a part of exercise, let me grab the table topic, that random table topic. Okay, the table topic is children should not watch television. Children should not watch television. Whenever I think about or when I read about this thing that we should not do this and that, there is a very fine line of being wrong and right. And that is why it's becomes very difficult for me to take a very hard stand, because as time changes we also need to change our mind, we also need to change our thoughts, right? The things that were true around like 100 years before are not true today. Like just imagine like 50, 60 years ago, just having a basic education would have worked, right now it's not. uh, uh, right now it's not sufficient. That's a bare minimum thing that you should do. Coming back to the point that children should not watch television. Television, yes, television has a downsides or disadvantages that as well, but it has positive sides as well. So we need to think in that direction, that how can we capitalize on the positive side and how can we reduce the negative sides, right? I also believe that children should not uh, we should not give access to children at a very early age, but after some time we should provide a restricted access. For example, uh, giving you a very personal example. So I have uh, my nephew. My nephew uh, used to watch South and fighting movies, and I used to say that you should not watch movies, you should not watch movies, but my brother didn't care, or like he used to watch and then he used to have fun. But slowly you can see whatever you see, it goes into your mind and it can change your behavior. And also it changes behavior. Aside from that, your eyes power also get affected. He used to watch a lot of television. Now he has got specs. His eyes are weak. So you should not overdo it. What I'm trying to say, you can watch television, but before reaching a certain age we should not give access. For example, yeah, I don't think that children below 10 should watch television. There are a lot of other things that we should do. And and that's, if you want to play, let them play outside. That's very important thing. Let them be with nature. So coming back to my point, that yeah, it's very difficult for me to take a stand that children should not, must not watch television. But yes, at a certain age they should not be allowed to watch. After certain age, they should be allowed to watch with limited access, and you should regularly keep checking on the activity. That's very important. Thank you. Over to you.